I'll show you how to make passive income with these simple side hustle ideas. Passive income is a popular topic these days, with many people looking for ways to make extra money on the side without having to put in a lot of effort. There are a variety of passive income ideas out there, ranging from investing in stocks and real estate to starting a blog or creating an online course. One of the most common ways to generate passive income is through investing in the stock market. This can be done by purchasing individual stocks, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. By investing in the stock market, you can earn dividends on your investments, which can provide a steady stream of income over time. Another popular passive income idea is to invest in real estate. This can be done by purchasing rental properties and collecting rent from tenants. While this can require some initial investment and ongoing maintenance, rental properties can provide a reliable source of passive income for many years to come. For those who are more tech savvy, starting a blog or creating an online course can be a great way to generate passive income. By creating valuable content that attracts a large audience, you can earn money through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Similarly, creating an online course on a topic you are knowledgeable about can provide a passive income stream as people pay to access your course. Another passive income idea is to write and self-publish a book. By writing a book on a topic you are passionate about, you can earn royalties on each copy sold. While writing a book can be a time-consuming process, once it is published, you can continue to earn passive income from book sales for years to come. If you have a creative side, selling digital products such as printables, graphics, or fonts can be a great way to generate passive income. By creating digital products and selling them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market, you can earn money every time someone purchases your products. Finally, investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms can be a passive income idea for those looking to diversify their investment portfolio. By lending money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can earn interest on your investments without having to actively manage them. In conclusion, there are many passive income ideas out there for those looking to make extra money on the side. Whether you choose to invest in the stock market, real estate, start a blog, create an online course, write a book, sell digital products, or invest in peer-to-peer lending, there are plenty of opportunities to generate passive income with minimal effort. By exploring different passive income ideas and finding the ones that work best for you, you can create a reliable source of extra income that can help you achieve your financial goals.